One founder is betting on meme tech as the next big startup category. The startup world loves to add the word tech to any existing industry: ad tech, fintech, prop tech, health tech. So it's probably no surprise there's a startup betting on something it calls meme tech. The startup in question is Meme Depot, which launched earlier this week. Founder Alex Taub said the goal is to create a comprehensive archive of every meme there is. Taub says Meme Depot is different from Cheezburger and Know Your Meme, which he describes as basically media companies. For example, you go to Know Your Meme to get a meme explained, whereas Meme Depot is more about organizing and discovering memes. For example, you could go to a page where you'd see every Kim Kardashian meme ever made. Amanda wrote a fun piece about the launch for TechCrunch, and she talked about this idea of a reaction GIF folder that you keep on your desktop computer or phone. I've never done this, which probably just confirms how deeply uncool I am. But anyway, the whole idea of Meme Depot is to create the biggest, best version of this folder. So how is the company planning to make money? You can use cryptocurrency to buy a pass to a meme party, which is basically a chat room. Then if the chat room becomes popular and you're an early pass holder, you might actually make a profit. For some users, that might be a deal breaker. Personally, in the year 2024, I have zero interest in participating in a community that requires me to buy or sell crypto. So just to be clear, the crypto layer in Meme Depot is completely optional. This model also brings up the question of who gets to profit from a meme. Is it the person featured in the original image? Is it the person who wrote the first version of the meme? Is it no one? Taub says that on Meme Depot, you can monetize the community without monetizing the meme itself. As with all new startups, there's a huge chance that Meme Depot might fail. But whether it succeeds or fails, it does seem like there's a world of meme content and meme possibilities that startups have barely explored. So I'll be extra impressed if Taub can make meme tech a thing.